My name is Julian David Paez Garcia. I am single. I am from Facatativá. I am 25 years old. I am personal trainer and laboratory assistant in the aqueduct of Bogota. I study environmental sanitation at UNAT. In living Bogota with girlfriend. In my free time, I like to travel, trying at the gym and test new dishes. Telling about my daily activities. What activities do you every day? I go to work, study, and train in the night. What do you eat for breakfast? I like to eat eggs, bread, and coffee. Where do you work and how are you going to work? I work in the aqueduct of Bogota. I arrive, arrive by motorcycle. Do you prepare your own lunch? What do you usually have for lunch? Yes, prepare my lunch. I usually have rice, meat, um, and vegetables. What time you come home? I always back home at 6 p.m. What do you do after work or school? After work, study and train. What time do you have dinner? I always mm, have my dinner is 8 o'clock. What time do you go to bed? I usually go to the bed 10 o'clock. What do you do on weekends? I spend time with family, my girlfriend, and my pets. When you go out, what do you usually uh, do in your own city? We usually go for walks to place with nature. What is the typical food in your city? The typical food in Facatativá is strawberry. What are the main celebration in your city town? The main celebration in Fuerteventura is cultural weekend. Tax.